Did you know many small businesses are ready to pay someone 10,000 rupees to 30,000 rupees per month just to manage their social media pages? And the best part, you can do this using just your phone from home. Hi everyone! If you are looking for a simple side hustle in 2026, becoming a social media manager is one of the easiest ways to start making money online. Today, I will explain what a social media manager does, how beginners can start, and how you can earn your first client. What is a social media manager? A social media manager is someone who manages social media pages for businesses. For example, businesses want to grow on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, but many shop owners, restaurants, or small companies don't have time to post daily, so they hire someone to do it for them. What work you will do? Your tasks are actually very simple: creating posts and reels, writing captions, replying to comments and messages, posting content regularly, and helping the page grow. You can create posts easily using tools like Canva. How beginners can start. Step 1. Practice first. Create a sample page and start posting content. Step 2. Learn basic content creation using Canva. Step 3. Contact local businesses near you. For example, beauty salons, gyms, restaurants, clothing shops. Tell them you can manage their Instagram page. How much you can earn. As a beginner, you can charge around 5,000 to 10,000 rupees per month per client. If you manage just 3 clients, you could earn around 30,000 rupees every month as a side income. Why this side hustle is perfect in 2026. This side hustle is growing fast because every business needs social media. You can work from home, you only need a phone and internet, no big investment required. So if you want to start an online side hustle in 2026, becoming a social media manager is a great option. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want more online income ideas.